Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a package right here. I've had this for 2 days, but I haven't opened it yet. So here we go. This is the first time I'm ordering from Tessabit, and I'm super excited because they packed it so nicely. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, it is adorable. They made this look like a total present for you to open. So I'm going to do that right now. So they were having this amazing sale and I saw this and I've been wanting one of these bags for a long time now. So I'm super excited. Okay, so it comes in this plastic, which is really cool. It doesn't have a box, which I wish it came in a box because I like boxes from luxury brands, but it did come in a dust bag. Here's the dust bag, and as you can see, it's a Balenciaga. So I'm going to open it now. Oh my goodness. Look at this color. How beautiful. This is my very first velvet bag, and I've been on the fence about wanting a velvet bag for a while now because I felt like it could get ruined easier than leather, because like it is a fabric, and I'm really nervous about using this in the rain or in the snow. We get a lot of rain and snow here in New York sometimes, so I'm just a little bit nervous about that. So I think I'm only going to use this in good weather. But I just love this color. I mean, this color is amazing. Here's the back of it. Back of it is in this like really cool pattern, and that's the side of it. So I think they technically call this a wallet on chain. I have to look at the description. Let me see, because it is a little bit smaller than the other version of this bag. Of course, there is no receipt in here, so I think it is a wallet on chain, or they consider it a wallet on chain, because when you open it, inside there are, as you can see, credit card holders, and also inside it's a Balenciaga tag, and as well the care card inside. Okay, so there are three credit card slots. There's 3 credit card slots in here, and then on the other side as well. So there's 6 credit card slots in total, and then 1 large pocket slot. I don't know if you can see that. The interior is a same color as the outside, but it's leather, and it has pretty good room inside. Like, I can totally fit my wallet in here. Pretty sure I can fit my keychain, my pouch in here, a key pouch, and then there is also a zipper. You can put other things inside, like bills or what have you. So it's a pretty good size purse, and I should do a what's in my bag so you can see what this fits. It has like a little closure. I'm trying to see how easy that is to close. Not super easy, but yeah, you have to get into the connector. And it is gold hardware, so the BB, and the chain is this luxurious gold chain, which is lovely, really pretty, and quite heavy. Like, it feels a good weight. Yeah, it's a great bag, and you wear it crossbody. So I can't really show you because I'm short, but it's a crossbody and it fits up to my waist. So overall, I love this bag. It's such a cute bag. Totally gonna use it to go out on a date night, to go out with the girls. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Thank you for watching my unboxing video. I hope you like videos like this. Follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. As well, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. See you next time.